Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be the first of our JavaScript tutorial, and this tutorial is going to be focused on learning JavaScript for building web applications. So if you're here and you're interested in building web applications using JavaScript, then you're in the right place. Okay, now why JavaScript? Okay, JavaScript was invented in 1995 by Brendan H. And one of the essence of JavaScript in an application is that it makes our application interactive. Now, for example, let me run this application, right? Of course, this is the application that we've been building using HTML and CSS. Just come here, right click, you can say open with live server, right? Or you can say copy path. So I'm going to choose copy path, right? Or let me choose open with live server. It just opens it automatically. Okay, so we have this. But if you want to open with through copy path, you can just come here, copy path, just copy it, then open a new tab and then paste, right? We still have the same thing, same output. You see, this is just pointing the system path to the file path, while this is like a server, okay? Still the same output, okay? So it doesn't matter, whichever you want. But I just prefer using the live server. So I'm going to delete this one. So if in case you don't have the live server, to download the live server, just go to your extension here and click live server, and look at this. Just click on this guy. I already have mine installed. So if you don't have it installed, you should see install. Just click on install and then you'll see it installed. Okay, very good, thank you. All right, next thing we do is once you do that, just right click on your HTML and you should see the option of open with the live server. That's all. Now, so JavaScript adds interactivity to applications. So if you look at this application, it's beautiful and with some little nice animations. However, it's not interactive. Okay, interactivity in the sense that you want to probably make a request on the application and you get a response. Okay, you want to click a button and the button responds with something, right? That's what I mean by interactivity. This application does not have such feature. So JavaScript helps us to add features like that makes the application interactive, and this helps to enhance the application and make it more user-centric or user-friendly, and creates very great user experience. Also, that's why. So in order to set up your JavaScript, the first thing you need to do is you need to have your Visual Studio Code or any code editor of your choice, and you should also have a browser, because that's where you'll be get to see or mirror everything that you are doing. Okay, so if you don't have your VS Code, right, in my previous video I already showed how to install your VS Code in your application. All right, if you just want to start from JavaScript, okay, this is the right place. But in case you are interested in learning HTML and CSS, I have a playlist that teaches how to write your code in HTML and CSS, and this is what we built here. All right, let's get started. Once you have your VS Code and your browser, you're good to go. All you just need to do is create a folder, and then open that folder on your VS Code and create a file, right? Create a file, name it index.html. I'd already done that in previous videos, right? Just create a file called index.html. And after you do that, just go to the last part of your code just before your body, right? Just before the closing tag of the body. Just type script, right? This, and we have this. Once we have this, and inside the script tag, you can write all your JavaScript code, all right? And you can view it in the browser. Okay, so that's it. Very simple. Okay, very simple. So I'm going to teach you how to print your first hello world. Of course, when you want to learn a language, let's say you want to learn English language or any language of your choice, the first thing you probably learn is how to pronounce or how to write the first letters, ABC, you know. Just in the same way, the first thing we're going to be learning is how to print a simple hello world text, right? That's what we're going to be learning. And like I said, everything you have to do in JavaScript has to be embedded inside this script tag. So this tag has to be there, right? That's what informs the application, this HTML, that okay, a JavaScript tag has been added, and then therein you can write all your codes. So here, let's print our first hello world. To do that, you say console.log. So console.log, you might be asking what's console.log, is an inbuilt function, right? It's an inbuilt function inside JavaScript that helps you to print out, you know, some information, all right? Okay, so what do I want to print out here? I want to print out hello world, right? Make sure you put it inside some double quotes this way and say hello world. It could be a single quote or so hello world, and make sure you save. In case you're seeing this, you know, 1, it means it's not saved, so make sure you save, right? Control S if you're on a Windows, but if you're on a Mac, you can do Command S. So I have this, and in order to view what we have, you know, printed here, you come to this browser, make sure that you're already running the HTML, okay? In your case, you may not have all these. Okay, let me just comment all these guys so that it doesn't have to confuse you. So we have a plain Canva here, okay? So I'll go back. I'll right click here, okay? Right click here, and make sure you go to your console, right? On this console tab, you see hello world, okay? So I say hello world, I am Osinachi. Okay, that's just one of my names, right? So hello world, I am Osinachi. Okay, so that's it. You see, it's printing. Make sure that anytime you add something to your code or you remove something from your code, make sure you save, right? And how to save: if you're on a Mac, like I said, Command S. If you're on a Windows, Control S. If not, if you don't save it, you would not see the changes visible here. Okay, so that's it. You see here. So let me increase this. So hello world, I am Osinachi. So this is how to print your first hello world. Okay, but here, instead of us writing our JavaScript code in our HTML, what we will do is we will create a separate file and link it to our HTML, so that we are going to write our code in that separate file, okay? And then we're going to view it on this HTML file. So how do you do that? Just come here, create another file. You can call it app.js, okay? App.js. Now, how do you link it to your HTML file? Here, just come here and do source, right? You want to add the source, and then you can put /app.js, all right? Okay, this /, you're saying I want you to go into the same child of my parents folder, and that's what it means. And you can remove this guy, right? You can cut it out. If you save it, you see that it disappear here, so we don't have it anymore. Go to your app.js, paste it here, and then you see it appear yet again. So you see we have it here. So we have been able to link our JavaScript file with our HTML file. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to declare variables and data types. Thank you. Bye.